Good evening, all. I'm Dr.A.Vaniprabha, Associate Professor, AC Department, SNS College of Engineering. Today, I'm going to share some important information about writing a research journal. Certain steps are involved in writing a journal. 7 pointers. Select the journal. There are several factors to consider when choosing a journal. It is unlikely that one journal will have all the features that one is looking for. So, have to compromise with the journal. However, there is one essential feature everyone or anyone should not be compromised on. That is, manuscripts must be peer reviewed for publication if they are not to be considered, and these are to be considered research articles. Language. English has become the dominant form of international scientific communication. Thus, if anyone is interested in communicating the results widely to the international scientific community, then it is essential to publish in English. If on the other hand, if anyone wishes to communicate more localized community, then they can choose a journal that permits any other language. Next is focus. So, what type of research does the journal publish? Is it focused abroad or narrow? Which disciplines are represented? What is the journal's orientation? For example, is it a clinical or basic, theoretical or applied? Next is indexing. Is the journal indexed in the major electronic databases such as Medline, biological abstracts, chemical abstracts or current contents? Availability. Is the journal broadly available? Is there an online version of the journal or papers provided in PDF format? So these are the questions to be asked during selecting the journal. Next is reputation. Although it can be rather subjective, there are several ways to gauge the reputation of the journal. Ask colleagues which journals they respect. Look at recent articles and judge their importance. Check the members of the editorial board and determine if they are leaders in their fields. Determine the journal's impact factor. How selective is the journal in accepting papers for publication? However, these ratings can be artificially inflated in journals that publish review articles, which tend to be cited more than research studies. And try to find out the acceptance rate of the journal. Next is format. Do you like the appearance of the published articles, the format, typeface and style used in citing references? If relevant, does the journal publish short or rapid communications? Figures. Do figures published in the journal have the resolution that you need? Time to print using the date submitted and date accepted that are published on the article along with the date of the issue. Even you can estimate the length of the review process as well as the time from acceptance to publication in print. Next is the charges. Some journals bill the author for page charges as cost per final printed page. Most journals have a separate charge for color plates. This may be as much as $1,000 per color plate. Many journals will waive pay charges if this presents a financial hardship for the author. Color plate charges are less readily waived and would at least require evidence that the color is essential to the presentation of the data. Once you decide on a journal, obtain and read the journal's instruction to authors. This document describes the format for the article and provides information on how to submit a manuscript. One can usually obtain a copy of the journal's instruction to authors on its website and or in the first issue of new volume. The lecture series will be continued in the upcoming videos. Thank you.